In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create audiences in Google Analytics 4. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to make the most out of their analytics data, and it can really enhance how you target and understand your users. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Analytics homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. This is where all your data comes together, and it's the jumping off point for creating audiences. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the admin gear icon. This section is your control center for all settings within Google Analytics, and it's where we can access the tools needed to create an audience. Once in the admin section, you'll see 3 columns. Focus on the middle column labeled Property. Here, you'll need to click on Data Settings. This is where you can manage and configure how your data is collected and used, providing you with a host of options to customize your analytics experience. After you've clicked on Data Settings, look for the Audiences option. Clicking on Audiences will bring you to a new page where all your current audiences are listed. If you haven't created any yet, this page will be blank, but don't worry, that's what we're here to change. Next, you'll want to click on the blue New Audience button. This is where the real magic happens. Creating a new audience allows you to segment your users based on specific criteria, which is incredibly useful for targeted marketing campaigns or understanding user behavior more deeply. As you begin creating your audience, you'll be presented with various options to define who should be included. You can set conditions based on demographics, technology, events, or even user properties. For example, you might choose to create an audience of users who visited a particular page or completed a specific action, like making a purchase. Take your time here to think about who you want to target and what criteria best define them. Once you've set up the conditions that make sense for your audience, go ahead and give your audience a descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later when you're analyzing or using it in Google Ads. Finally, click Save, and your new audience will start collecting data. It's important to note that audience data won't be retroactive, so it will only include users from the point of creation onward. And there you have it. You've successfully created an audience in Google Analytics 4. Remember, audiences are a powerful tool to help you tailor your marketing efforts and gain deeper insights into your user base. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on mastering Google Analytics.